New unboxing tayo for tonight. Ito, kadarating lang nito to DHL delivery. Again, this is supposed to be diretso na sa client, kaya lang since remote area yung address niya, again dito ko pinapadiretso kasi nga additional na charge yung pag pinadiretso sa client's address. So dito ko pinapadiretso para walang charge, and then after this, tomorrow, after this short unboxing, diretso ship sa DHL first thing in the morning tomorrow. So ayan, unboxing na natin. So this set is for Kawasaki Z900. Ito yung carbon heat shield nya, comes with this carbon real carbon na heat shield. Then yung stainless lamp, yan, stainless lamp. Then syempre yung slip-on set canister. Yun, ganda oh. Ayan, so as you can see, it's a black color because it's made of ceramic black coated. The inner material is made of titanium. Titanium yan. Then coated with black ceramic. Ito ang pinakamahal na materials sa lahat ng canister o muffler. So ayan, slip-on set yan for Z9 Kawasaki. Yung buong set nya is coated with black ceramic, even yung bracket nya. Siyempre handmade works, yun na nagpapamahal dito and also as well as the materials. So ayan yung harapan nya, likod, and yung side front nya, and the logo. Welcome. Pag ganyan yan position yan, kasama talaga to itong carbon heat shield. Pag ganito, ito nakaklamp dito yan sa may pinakadulo ng elbow, connecting dun sa stock elbow mo. So ayan siya. Also may kasama extra sticker, itong waterproof na sticker para dito, with extra yan just in case makalas yan, na extra ka. Yan, ganyan kaganda pag handmade works. Ganyan, slip on, magaan siya kasi siyempre titanium pa rin to yung loob. For Z9 Kawasaki, gusto nyo umorder, pay nyo lang ako, mabilis na naman to. Lead time is around, since made to order yung set na to, lead time niya is about 5 to 6 days. Tapos na siyang gawin ng factory, then diretso ship na sa Pinas. 5 to 6 days lang ginagawa. Handmade kasi siya and made to order. Saka lang siya gagawin bossing kung may model niya. Okay, PM nyo na ako pag gusto nyo model ng concept sa page ko or sa FB, even here sa YouTube.